Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install custom font on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to install custom font, or if you want to change font style on your iPhone, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to open your settings app here, go for general here, and here you will find the fonts option. You just have to look for that and select the font option from here, and here you'll get system fonts, and you'll get a lot of fonts from here. You just have to select which one you want to set as, or you'll get my fonts also. You can also select one of them if you want, or basically there is no any official way to change your system fonts on your iPhone. Or if you want to change your keyboard font, so you can do that on your iPhone. You just have to go back, go for accessibility option here, and here just scroll down, and here you'll get the option of keyboard and typing. Select that. Then select hover typing here, and you must have to enable that. And once you have enabled, and here you just have to look for font option, and you have to select the font which you want to set for your keyboard font. For example, I'm going to select this one or this one. Once you have selected your font, just go back, open your keyboard anywhere, it might be in your messages, and here you have to try to write anything. And here you can see that your font for your messages will be changed in the upper section here. And once you have write your message, you just have to tap on the send option, and it will be sent in the same font and you have written that. So in this way you can easily change the font on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.